Hey guys, so I am back today for day 3 of my holiday series, and I'm so excited because it's day 3 already, which means Christmas is a little bit closer. And I don't know if you guys celebrate Christmas, but I celebrate Christmas, and it just makes me really excited because I love the holiday season and I love to spend time with my family and do all that fun stuff. So for this fabulous video, I am partnering with makeupdotcom, and if you guys have never checked out makeupdotcom before, you need to, because it's an awesome site, especially if you're a makeup lover. I love going on there and just reading the articles, and actually I've had a couple article features with them, so they always interview like different beauty bloggers on different like beauty subjects, so I love that because personally I am a big YouTube watcher. I know a lot of people that do YouTube don't watch YouTube, but I watch YouTube like all day long. I don't even watch television, I just watch YouTube. So I love that about makeupdotcom. So if you haven't checked it out before, you need to. I don't want to make this intro like super long or dragged out. So we're just gonna get into the video now. Okay, so first things first, I am going to use the NYX LA palette Indispensable. I think that's the name of it. And I am going to use that last color to your right, and that is a contour color, but I am just using it as a crease color for me because it's like the perfect brown for my crease, so that's how I decided to use it. And I am just simply going to put that in my crease, and I'm just going to use this as like my base color, just my base crease color, because I'm not really going to go too crazy with matte shades in my crease. So then, after I get this colored out, I am going to go onto my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Golden, and this is in the number 620. And oh my god, you guys, if you have been watching YouTube for years, this product is like a TBT, like a Throwback Thursday, because these used to be so popular on YouTube and I have so many of them, and they're so good. And I stopped using them for so long for some reason, and I just like fell in love with them again because they're so easy to use. And I love using these as a base. They are like the perfect base for any eyeshadow look. So if you don't have any of these, you should definitely pick some up, and they are not pricey. They're a good price, so you should try them. Give them a try because they're like the perfect base for any eyeshadow look. And usually I will just like rub these in with my finger. They're like super low maintenance. That's why they are an amazing product because anything you could use without a brush is great. So then after I do this step, I'm going to use my NYX Love You So Mochi palette. And this is the Electric Pastels palette, so it's so pretty. Like, the camera didn't really pick it up, but the colors are just so, like, frosty. Like, they just have, like, this beautiful frost to them. It's just so pretty. So I'm going to use that orangey color all the way to the left. And this color is so beautiful. As you can see, as I'm applying it, it just gives, like, this beautiful sheen. And, oh my god, I can't describe it, but it's like this, like, it's like a wet look. Exactly. That's exactly what I was trying to say. It's like it gives you like this wet look on your eyes that's just so pretty. And personally, I love that look. I like anything that's shimmer, anything that's glowy, anything that gives like a wet effect. So that's just so gorgeous. And this is just going all over my lid, and I'm also gonna bring this color up into the crease as well. So I want it to go over and into my crease, so that way when my eye is open you could still see the color because it's going over my crease. Now I am going to take this like magenta slash purple kind of color, and I'm going to put that on my outer corners. So I'm just using this to make it a little bit more colorful, give it a little bit more depth, and this color is just as beautiful. It's just like so gorgeous, and I'm using the same technique with this eyeshadow. I'm also bringing it up into the crease, so that way when my eye is open you could still see it. And obviously, like, I was singing this whole time that I was recording this, so you might just see me like burst out singing. So yeah, and then I'm just taking that little brush, and I'm kind of just blending everything together. I really have like no other product on that brush. I'm just making sure that I don't have any like harsh lines because I don't want to look crazy, you feel me? Then I decided to take this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful yellow shade, and I put that in my inner corners just for like a pop of color and to brighten up the eye, and that's exactly what this did. It was just so pretty, and it just meshed so well with the colors. it was just the perfect fit. So, okay, now for skin. So we're gonna go into skin, and here I already have my skin prep. So skin prep is already done, so I'm going in with foundation, and this is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra 24-Hour Makeup Foundation. So I'm just applying that all over my face with my big BH Cosmetics brush, and I really love this brush. It's a really good one. You guys always see me apply my foundation with this brush because I feel like it just gives like a really easily airbrushed finish. So that's awesome. I've worn this foundation a couple of times now, maybe like a good 7-8 times, and I actually really like it. The color looks really good on me. I definitely do like the color, and I checked out their shade range, and they have 40 shades. So the shade range is pretty good. So if you're interested, you should go check it out. And as you can see, it gives me like a really nice, healthy, just clear, overall, really healthy skin. So now for concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me actually in this video, something different for a change. And this is in the color 25 medium. So I'm really picky with concealer. You guys know that I'm really picky, but I really like this one. This is like one of my faves, and this is in like my daily makeup section area of my room. So I do use this pretty often too. So that's what I'm using under my eyes. And after I get that all blended in with my beauty blender, I am going to go on to my cream contour. So for cream contour, I use the Urban Decay Skin Shape Shifter. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, that's what it's called. And I'm going to use a cream contour, and then I'm going to set it with that powder that's in there as well. So they have creams in there and powders, which I love because I could only use one palette and I don't have to use like 45 different products to cream and powder contour, because honestly, like, I know it's a lot of work, but I like to do both cream and powder contour. So that's what I do, and that's what I'm doing here as well. So like I said before, I'm just like singing my life away, so just try to ignore it. I know it's hard, but try to. And now that my face is all set or whatever, I'm going to go on to the NYX Love You So Mochi palette. And this is the Arcade Glam / Glam Arcade. That's what it says on the back of the product. So I really like this highlighter. It gave me like a really like iridescent glow. It was just so pretty. And again, it gave me like a wet look, just like the eyeshadows did. So I really like the effect that this product gives. And then now I'm just applying some lashes, and guys, I cannot remember what lash style this is. I cannot remember what company, what brand. I'm sorry, I know I need to do better with the lashes because I always just wear random ones, whichever ones are like sitting around. And that is what I did here. So I'm just using something that I don't know what it is, but I just found them in my room. So I'm sorry about that. And then after I did that, I kind of just went back and I refreshed that yellow inner corner because, you know, when you apply powder and concealer, it kind of like takes it away. So I'm just like redoing that over again. So it's like super pigmented and there and giving me a pop of color just like I wanted it to. And then for the bottom lash line, I'm using the same colors that I use on my lid. I'm using that like orange color and that magenta color on my lower lash line as well. And then after I put those down, I kind of wanted something like a little bit different. So I went in with that blue, like that frosty blue right there. And I added that a little bit. And when I mixed those colors, it just made it look like so like frosty and pretty and like blue. It was just really pretty. So I was like, okay, this is perfect. So after I did that, then I completed the eye look with mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is one of my favorite mascaras. I love this mascara so much. It stays on so well. So I blended my real lashes and my false lashes with that, and I used it on my lower lash line as well. So then for lips, I'm going to do a red lip. So I'm just going to fill in my entire lip with this Urban Decay lip pencil, and I think the number of it is 69. That's what it says on the pencil, so I think that's like the name or the color or whatever you want to call it. And I'm just filling my entire lip in with this because that's how I make my lipstick last longer. I just fill in the entire lip with a lip pencil, and that really helps it to like stay steady and hold you down throughout the day, which is very important. So after I do this, I am now going to apply the star of the show, and that is the L'Oreal Infallible Lip Paint. And guys, I have a couple of these colors, and they are just so good. First of all, this smells so good. It literally made me like hungry. Like, I don't know, I just wanted candy because it smelled so good. And that's what I was saying right there. I was like, oh my god, it smells so good. And this is the color DIY Red. And I don't know if this is like the shade number, but it says 324 on it. I don't know if that says that on all of them, but I'm pretty sure the color is DIY Red, and it's just so gorgeous. They are high shine, they are highly pigmented, they are just so beautiful. Like, the color is so pigmented. Like, you will not struggle to get color out of these lip paints. They are just so gorgeous. So if you don't have one of these, you should definitely go to the store and like pick one up and try them out, because you're gonna love them. I mean, look at that color. Like, it's just so perfect. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, so anyway, I finished off my face with just spraying some Elizabeth Arden moisturizing spray, and then after I did that, I was like, wait, I'm like missing blush. So I went back and I used an Urban Decay blush, and it is called Satisfy, and this is the Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Blush from Urban Decay. So it's really pretty. It's like a peachy color, but I feel like it just completed my look. So at this point, I was basically done. Once I let my hair out and I shake my hair out, that's how you know we're done. So if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, anything like that, just leave me a comment. Don't forget to leave me a comment and say hey, because you guys know I will reply to you. And last but not least, I just want to say thank you to makeupdotcom for partnering with me for this video. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.